Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter in a Subaru Outback. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which you can usually find for around $20, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely and completely turned off. The cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove box, so we'll start there. Now, let's open the glove box. First, remove everything inside to give yourself clear access. Next, you'll need to gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This action releases the small stoppers that hold it in place. Once released, the glove box will swing down, giving you a clear view of the cabin air filter housing. With the glove box open, you'll see the filter housing cover. There are usually two small clips on either side. Unclip these to remove the cover. Carefully pull out the old filter. Notice the airflow arrow on the side of the old filter. This is crucial. Your new filter will also have an arrow. Insert the new filter, ensuring its arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Almost done? Now, simply snap the filter housing cover back into place, making sure the two clips are securely fastened. Next, lift the glove box back up. You'll need to gently push the sides inward again to re-engage the stoppers. Once it's back in position, close the glove box firmly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter and can now enjoy fresher air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.